All right, so final steps of assembling your Ebike Trekking Pro. In this case, we're going to pull the plastic off the handlebar, our grips. We've mounted the wheel, we've mounted the display.
Now we're going to check all the bolts.
We're going to check all the bolts. What kind of tolerances we're looking at here?
Just like 30, 35 pounds of torque, which...
So like a hand tight plus?
Yeah.
That's hand tight.
Huh?
About hand tight?
Yeah.
And then we're going to put the front fender on.
So the bolt is already on the bike.
Mm-hmm. So the fender is put on by a couple of three different bolts.
So it's just number 4 Allen and an open wrench number 8.
Okay. Now if you had purchased a Ebike Trekking 29er, you'd be done. You'd be out riding your bike more than likely. The Ebike Trekking's got a few extra features on it. But once the fender's on and we've done some basic adjustments to the seat post height and stuff, this bike will be ready to ride. General maintenance stuff you can think about. The Bosch system, the Bosch motor requires no maintenance whatsoever. The battery just wants to be charged regularly. You want to not forget to charge your battery longer than 5 months, or your battery could die. Hopefully you'll use your bike more than that. And there you have it. This bike's ready to go. Thanks, Louis.